Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys face lock setup setting. How to set up face lock, how to use face lock setting in Redmi mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you want to set face lock, so open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it and friends click here password setting, and friends click here face lock, and friends you can see next add face data. Friends click here, select password type, pattern pin and password. Where before set face lock you will have to set lock screen password first. Friends I will use pattern lock. Got it. And friends remember your lock screen password. If you forget you will have to use old data. Enter password means draw pattern. Friends I will use this L. Same pattern again draw. Confirm. Add face data. Start option, click here and we'll wait for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, as you can see, we can set face lock. Click here and then show your face in this frame and you can set face lock in your device. As you can see, keep your face inside the frame. Friends, you can see face lock will set in Redmi mobile. And friends, you want to add one more face. So friends, only Redmi mobile you can use two face lock. Draw your device pattern. Start option guys. After 5 seconds, you can use two face lock in your Redmi mobile. So friends, you can add new face lock data in your Redmi mobile. So friends, I will use only one face lock. Friends, lock your screen. You want to unlock your phone? Friends, draw your pattern. You can unlock phone. Again lock your phone. Friends, you want to unlock your phone without draw pattern. So show your face on camera and friends, your phone will unlock automatic. So like that friends, you can set face lock in your Redmi mobile. So friends, open your phone setting and friends, you don't want to use face lock on your lock screen, you want to remove face lock. So friends, click here password setting and friends click here face lock setting and friends draw your device pattern and friends you can remove face lock from here. And friends, you don't want to use screen lock also, and friends if you remove screen lock, so friends automatic face lock will off. Friends you can see we cannot use face lock after remove screen lock pattern, and you have fingerprint lock, so fingerprint lock will also delete. OK option. And friends you can see on lock screen we cannot use face lock, we cannot use pattern lock. Friends swipe here, you can unlock your phone without any pattern, without any face lock. So bye friends, thanks for watching.